Housekeeping Department. This is Trisha Marie speaking. How may I help you? Good afternoon. May I request one rollaway bed, one pillow, and one blanket? Okay, ma'am. You request one rollaway bed, one pillow, and one blanket. But before that, ma'am, may I know your name and your room number, please? This is Queen La Cruz from room 247. Okay, ma'am. Your name is Queen La Cruz, and your request one rollaway bed, one pillow, and one blanket. Is that correct, ma'am? Yes, it is. Okay, ma'am. Your extra pillow and blanket are free in charge. However, your one rollaway bed has a charge and it costs 1,000 pesos per night. Is that okay with you, ma'am? Yes, it's okay with me. Okay, ma'am. Your request will be delivered in a minute. Is there anything else I can do for you, ma'am? Nothing. Thank you. If there is no anything else, ma'am, thank you for calling Housekeeping Department. Enjoy your day.